If you think it's not possible for you to start making money online simply by watching videos, stay with me till the very end of this video, because in this video I'm going to show you ways you can start making money online by simply watching videos. I'm going to get straight to the video because I do not want this video to be too lengthy. But before I do that, in case you do not know me, my name is Tochi Eke, and in this channel I make a whole lot of videos teaching you how to make money online, most especially teaching you how to trade Forex. Sometimes I make this kind of videos teaching you other ways you can make money online, so that when those money start coming, you can now invest it into your Forex trading account. If you are not yet a subscriber of my channel, kindly come over here and smash on the subscription button. Also turn on the post notification bell by clicking on the bell beside it and select all. Alright, also join my Telegram community. The link will be in the description below. In this Telegram community, I share a whole lot of chat signals, chart markup charts, and a whole lot of educational content teaching you how to trade Forex. So having that said, we are going to jump straight to the video. Let me show you 5 ways you can start making money simply by watching videos. There are basically 5 different apps I'm going to show you which can start paying you money by doing what? By watching videos online. The first app I'm going to show you is Feature Points. All right, Feature Points. Coming over to Feature Points, there are many ways you can make money. If you look at it, basically you can make money by doing what? By completing survey. You can make money by what? Cashback, that is buy something from their stores. Then you can also make money by doing what? By referring people. And you can also make money by doing what? By watching videos. So there are many ways you can withdraw. You can withdraw by Amazon gift card, by PayPal, and many other. Even your Payoneer account, I guess you can use it to do what? You can use it to withdraw. So to get this app is very easy. You can come over to their website and click on get it on Google Play. Or you can simply go over to Google Play and search for what? Feature Points app, and you are going to see it. So this is basically the app on the Google Play Store. I will just go ahead. So there are basically a whole lot of reviews, which you can see here. We have over 121,000 reviews from people who are using this app. All right, so it's very simple. Let's go across and read the reviews. So as you can see, this one said, love the app, had a minor delay in rewards, no big deal, problem was solved quickly, and I love the app. I play every day and don't think I will stop anytime soon. Yeah, on this app also you can start making money by doing what? By also playing game and also watching videos, taking surveys. But I advise you to watch video and play games. That is the one that is going to make you big money. So there are also basically some good reviews and some bad reviews. All right, as you can see, this one said Feature Point is consistent with payouts in my experience. However, Feature Point is inconsistent with rewarding points during gameplay. You have to play longer than you should to get your points. Also, I complete 12 survey in December, but I still haven't received the $5 for fully completing the survey. You also won't get any help from emailing the support team, since they won't even answer emails when you have an account issue. So probably they have some sort of bad reviews also, and so many also good reviews. That is it about some apps. Some people might find it interesting and some people might find it not being interesting. All right, so just you can come over to YouTube channel and search about Feature Points and see what other YouTubers are talking about it. In this video is not to break it down specifically, it's just to show you all these platforms so that you can start making use of it if you wish. So to actually get started, all you have to do is to download it from Google Play Store. You come over here and click on sign up or log in. The procedure is very simple. It's the normal way you sign up in every other platform. So once you are done doing it, you start doing the task and you might start making money. Let's go over to the second app. The second app is what? My Point. My Point is not actually an app, though it's a website where you also make money by doing what? By taking survey, watching videos, and basically playing games. As you can see it, they are also paying you out through Amazon gift card and also Visa. That is the means which you can do what? You can receive your payout, and they give you $10 instant bonus, which I don't think if they still do. All right, which I don't think if they still do. So it's also a cool place for you to start making money. You can check it out. And the third app that I'm going to show you is AppNana. Actually, AppNana is also an app, all right, where you can make money by watching videos. So the way you actually make money from this is that you earn in nanas, that is their coin is nanas, which can be converted to dollar, and you can easily withdraw your money. All right, so this app, you can use it to play game, you can use it to watch videos, and you start making money. You can also come over to Google Play Store and see the reviews people are talking about. For you to come over, just click on Gate for Android. Once you click on Gate for download, it's going to bring you to their Play Store app where you can download it. And before you download it, where you can download it, you can also go ahead and read the reviews people are talking about. But remember that people will definitely make bad reviews, all right, and some people will also make good reviews. So you can also go ahead to YouTube and search about Apptrailer and see what people are talking about it. So let's go over to the fourth website where you can start making money online. So basically, the next app I'm going to show you where you can start using to make money is Apptrailer. So Apptrailer happens to be on Play Store, but I just can't find it recently on Play Store. I don't know whether they are doing some upgrade or whatsoever, but this is the one that has a very high review on Play Store where a whole lot of people are giving testimonies of withdrawing on this platform. You can also search it on YouTube and see what other people are talking about it. But however, they have the APK where you can download it on your app. So for you to do that, it's just basically simple. Come to this website, apkpure.com. is a popular website where you can download apps outside Play Store. All right, so you can download apps and just install it on your phone. So if you come over here, people are also making reviews about it. So they're also paying. Is an app you can also do what you check out. So the next, which it happens to be the last but not the least app I'm going to show you, is creationsreward.net. Creationsreward.net is also a website where you can also make money by doing what? By watching videos, taking surveys, visiting websites, shopping, and completing other special stuff, and also referring people. But the most one that I advise you to do is to watch videos. As you can see, these are the ways you can make money here. Paid survey, watch videos. The one I advise you to do is paid survey and visit website, because they are the ones that are going to do what? They are going to pay you a whole lot. You can also make money by cashback. That is if you do what? If you shop on this platform. I'm not advising you to shop here. The only one I'm advising you to do is to do what? Watch video and visit websites. You can also refer a friend and earn 50% bonus here. As you can see, these people have also been in existence since 2000. Since the year 2000, I've been rewarding our members, more than 22 years strong now. So it's also another good platform you can try out. For you to register or for you to join, it's very simple. Come over here and click on login if you already have an account, but because you're registering, you just come over here and click on register, and then you register by filling out the required form. It's basically very simple, so I will not bother you with that. These are the 5 platforms that I think you can start making money by doing by watching videos online. So you go ahead and give it a try. Let me know in the comment section how your experience with all these platforms turned out for. I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and out.